we talked a little bit about Copilot. We talked about ChatGPT. These tools are evolving as we go. So as an example, in Copilot, you can go and you can build a custom agent. So I have a sales agent that I have trained in Copilot. So if I was to go to Copilot and say, hey, I'm having a meeting with this particular client next week, what should I know about them? I can punch in their URL, their LinkedIn, profile, and it'll give me a generic response. Or I can go into it and I can say, I run a managed IT services company who typically services business like this. Here's our internal training, like our sales documents. Here are transcripts of the last 5 discovery meetings that I've done. These are the types of questions we ask, the problems we solve, the reasons people have chosen to work with us in the past. What do I need to know going into this meeting? Well, you get drastically different information back from those because I've trained one of them. It's just like training an employee, right? And it's one of the things I have found annoying with AI when you ask it a question and it gives you kind of a generic, use, and you're like, no, but think about, and then you're like, oh, right. It would be like me walking up to a stranger and asking you how I should handle a situation, as opposed to walking to an employee who's been with me for 10 years. I'm going to get different answers.